Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace the charging port on the Moto G Stylus 5G. This is the 2021 model. So the charging port on this one is broken. You see, it's not even charging nothing. So we got a new one. I'll post it in the description of this video. That way, if you have to replace yours, you know how to do it. So I previously replaced the screen in this not so long ago. I don't remember if I uploaded the video or not yet, but if not, the back's already taken off. But all you gotta do is use a heat gun and then just slowly pry it open. I'll play a clip on here. It's a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a sponger tool or even a sharp blade. So you can do it either this way, just get underneath and then carefully pull up. Now note that this phone has been opened a couple times. The screen has been replaced, the battery has been replaced. So you can do it this way. Another way is use a heat gun. You don't want to apply too much heat because this is plastic. You can warp or melt the plastic, so just do enough. And then another thing to note is you can either take this fingerprint sensor off with the back or press and hold down and pull this apart. So like I said, this has been taken off a couple times, and I've taken off the fingerprint sensor along with it. And be careful. And I'm about to show you what I mean. So you see there's a sensor right behind. Some people, they'll take off the fingerprint sensor off from the back plastic. Me, I got experience and all that, so I usually just take it off in one piece and then just turn it to the side whichever way. So we're gonna slide this aside. We don't have to worry about the top portion. And the battery was just recently replaced as well because that died. So put that there. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Phillips that we had to take out. All right, so now we're going to take out the Phillips. All right, next we're going to lift this up. Be careful, it is tabs. Alright, set that aside, then that exposes the charging port. The battery's already dead, so I don't have to worry about it. So, no, just pop this off. Be careful. You don't want to damage it. So, we're going to carefully remove it from its little tab. As so. Move them to the side. We are going to disconnect this ribbon cable. And you got one Phillips that's right here. And now we can lift this up. So that's taken out. Now we're gonna open our new one. And everything should match. That's so. You can see where the charging port was breaking over here compared to the new one. If you can see that. So it goes to the garbage, and then for this, we're gonna put it in an angle. And then we're carefully going to lift that up. Push it down. And then we can put this power ribbon back on. Gonna put the screw back in. going to put these back in. So slide that back through there, and then reconnect it. Make sure you got it lined up. And voila, so one's in. Same thing for the other. Slide that back through there. Push down. Make sure these is in its guide. That's so. Then we're gonna put this back on. Same thing as before. Put it at an angle. Put that side in first and then press down. And get this glue out the way. I'm not sure how well the microphone picked up them clips. And then we are going to put all the Phillips back in. I got a magnetic screwdriver set. I don't know where it's at right now. So I'm using these little Phillips screwdriver that came with it. Alright. So now we're going to get the charging port. I'm going to carefully put this back on. Let's check it. Oh, flashed. Now it's working. So now what I'm going to do, put this back where it was. So I'm gonna clean up all this adhesive, old adhesive off, and I'm gonna lay down new adhesive so this could properly be mated back to the phone itself. I'm actually using a sharp knife for this, or blade. we can line this back up. And then apply pressure. That's how you replace a charging port on a Moto G Stylus 5G 2021 model. Any other models that have the same exact charging port, I'll have that listed in the description. As always, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.